We're gonna make it dance. We're gonna make it dance. We're gonna make it dance.
Taxi, a Stingah Tee. Engine a revolt, me foot pan the gas. One direction, me heading to the top. Can't hold me down, Father God set the track. Get a use, no make the pagan set the trap. For the area, me not take me foot off the gas. Press me a press for the area. Me not take me foot off the gas. Press me a press. Mind for me money for me mind. Kids a feet, everything no stay fine. For the area, me not take me foot off the gas. Press me a press.
What's up, Too Fleshy family? It's your girl Patra.
And your girl Zoe, Too Fleshy, and Zayla woke up.
She woke up. Aww. And Zayla. She's sleeping?
No, she's awake.
She's awake? Say hi, Zayla.
She's looking out the window.
She'll fall asleep again when I start driving. She just ate. She's good.
Fall asleep back.
She's falling asleep?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why she was so miserable just now. So we're heading on the road, guys. We're going to go stop by Aunt Sadie's house. Zayla, you about to watch the car dance? Yeah. They're going to make the car dance. The car's going to dance, y'all. Oh, look, the car's going to dance just like Yaya. We're going to make it dance. We're going to make it dance. We're going to make it dance.
Okay, Don got it dancing. We kind of got it late. It did some other dance moves, but we got it late.
It looks like it's about to take off.
Y'all see the lights?
Yeah.
That's so cool.
It's dope. You gonna dance with the car, Yaya?
Record it for me. That is so cool. I didn't even know that Tesla did all this.
You didn't? They would have sold me with just this feature. That is nice. Oh wait, the door's opening?
Yeah.
What? You see that? It's like synchronized swimming. It's a part of the choreography.
That car is doing a performance.
This car is the bomb. It's lit. All right, take a bow, take a bow, take a bow. Woo! Woo!
That was so cool. It did all of that on its own. That's
All by itself. That was really dope. Look it, look it. Ooh, all white. Zayla,
Look at that.
look at here.
So it's 6-seater, but you got a lot of trunk spots. You got.
Oh, you could.
right
Oh, you got a trunk in here.
And then you
What?
can put this down too.
And you can lay that down.
Yeah. So
Oh, that's
you have
nice.
the normal storage.
That's nice.
And you can move those seats.
That's a big. That's a lot of trunk space.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
That's not even all.
That's not. Oh, oh, oh. Oh wait, yeah, the front. Yes. All right now. Oh, so if you do have to use it as a 6-seater, you have extra storage.
Yeah.
It's not just the back of the car. This.
No, this is something else. All this stuff. This is for the sun visor.
Okay.
Stuff to charge it.
Okay.
So where you guys gonna charge it at home?
We're getting
something installed.
But you
Oh,
can
okay.
plug it in a regular.
A regular plug?
Yeah, but it takes long. But we bought the charger to install it. We just wait on it.
Okay. This is really nice. How can I go in here? How you open it?
You gotta push in the middle.
Okay. Ooh, space age stuff, y'all. This is space age stuff. Look at this. Look, look. Ooh, Zayla. Look, let's go on the other side. Come on. Let's go on the other side. Let's go on the. Oh, so you just push on the thing? That show was sick. Ooh. Oh, look, Zella. Look. You see the Tesla? Yeah, you see the Tesla, baby. It was all just a dream, right? Look at that. This is nice. Zoe, you like this car?
Yeah.
You do? DJ, you like it too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? I love it.
Okay, let's finish what we're doing. Okay. So we both watch one.
Yeah, I might put some speakers in there. Speakers.
We both win.
They have so many cars.
How old are you?
No, that's it. This, I'm gonna get the 10.
And it's supposed to be your car, right?
I gotta make her look good.
Right, right. You decked out your car. Her car gotta be decked out too. It came decked out though. Yeah. Nice. Did you tell it to close?
Yeah, I did, but it's giving me a noise because of this thing.
The bow. Nice. This is nice. How I close the door? Just push it up. Okay. 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 He said, wait, no, I'll close all the doors. That's sick. That's nice.
You know it drives by itself?
I saw that.
Yeah.
Isn't that scary?
Yeah, for me, he's not. And it parks by.
I saw when y'all did it, when y'all had it on the road.
Like if nobody's
You wanna hold
I
her?
can make it
Just
park for you.
hold it tight.
Really? Be careful. You're learning.
She loves babies. Don't dig in her eye. This is
Yeah, 'cause they
dopeness.
Yeah, y'all test road.
I'm gonna try to open my eyes.
Oh, okay.
So like, when you like,
That's because it was down?
I think the windows went down,
Yeah.
so that's
when you,
water.
if you're like in a garage or something, it knows how to.
Oh, not to go
so
too
it will
high.
Open like this and then take it instead of swing
Yeah,
it.
it
Or if you
opens.
park by another car. So
It has sensors.
Yeah.
Oh,
Real strong too.
yeah. This is
The
so.
most exciting
So
part
nice.
is that it reverse park because I struggle. Parking for me.
Did you tell it?
What?
It has like
to
some.
park it for you?
Yeah.
It's a park. It's a button in there. Once you're trying to set the park, you put it in park, and it tells you if you want it rear or front, and then you pick which way you want it.
What?
And you could also have.
So you can go to sleep after you set it up and it'll take you home.
Well, not yet. We could do that later on this year for all the models. We just drive on the highway by itself.
That's
Like to the neighborhood.
T needs this. Stingah needs that,
We
cause.
got the thing too where, like, if you at the mall,
Uh-huh.
and you park your car. If you
Don't tell me you could call a car and it'll come get.
Come to you.
Ooh!
I just gotta learn how to do it.
Oh my gosh! If you know how you go to the mall and you come out with all your bags, you could you call the car,
It drives.
it'll come to you. I know. It has a lot of dope features. This
I
is
love
really nice. This is
And we
super
charge it up
nice.
right there.
Wait, what's this? What's this?
That's the
That's how you
charging.
charge.
Oh, that's how you charge it? Okay, like so nobody can steal your gas. Ain't no gas.
Ain't no gas.
Ain't no gas. That is.
This is nice.
This is really nice.
Yeah, come on.
Let's go, guys.
This is nice. Cause the third row in my car is so small back there. See how you have a lot of space in your third row when you open all three. My third row when I open the seat is like I might as well forget it. It's painful to sit back there. Like I wouldn't sit back there. I'll sit back there in this one. Yours, the third row is.
This is really nice.
Yes, it is. Nice, nice. So y'all, we just left my aunt's house. Y'all seen Panton Squad's car? That car is sick! Panton Squad, y'all did that. Y'all are my inspiration. But anyways, that was a dope car. Right, baby? You like the car? Good morning to Flashy family. It's your girl Patra.
I'm Zoe. I will show you guys what I got from my mommy's mom. And she got me these puffs like a lid.
Y'all see how she just took over my whole vlog?
And make sure you guys, mom and dad, go to Target and get it for you guys so you guys can be smart like me.
What I really came on here to say was good morning. I know last night we said we're gonna go do all this other stuff, but we didn't do it. We only checked out Panton Squad's dopeness. That dope ride. Yes, Panton Squad, y'all did that. That ride is nice. Congrats to y'all. That's like, babe, I showed you the car, right?
Morning, y'all. Yes, the car is fire. Congrats, Panton Squad. I'm proud of y'all. Inspiration for sure.
Yep, definitely an inspiration to us. And I went over, I was by Aunt Sadie's house yesterday and I got some mangoes. Look at these mangoes. Look at these bad boys.
My favorite, Julie.
Look at these mangoes, y'all. Check these mangoes out. Ooh, we're in mango heaven. This reminds me of when I was a kid. Like, for real. I used to get mangoes and eat them by the dozens during the summertime. And this little girl does the same thing too.
And guys, tell mommy to show them Zayla.
Baby, your pots and pans are making a lot of noise.
In the kitchen.
He's washing dishes and I'm trying to vlog. How rude of me. Or is that how rude of him? Y'all put y'all 2 cents in the comments. Who's rude here? Me or him?
Guys, tell mommy to switch this up to Zayla.
Oh yeah, they want to see Zayla, huh? And Zayla, she's over here chilling in her little, it's supposed to be she's supposed to be chilling, laying down, but she likes to sit up.
And
Say hi, Zayla. Yes, she's ready to get up and walk, right? Really? What else?
And I want to show them one thing.
What?
Too flashy.
Yeah? Too flashy? Up? Too flashy? Too flashy? So we're about to do some laundry. Well, that's already washed. We just got to fold it and put it away. If this is your first time watching our videos, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up because you know that car was really, really dope.
Yes, it is.
Put y'all 2 cents in the comments. Let us know what you thought about Panton Squad's car.
I love it.
Everybody put that fire sign, fire it up in the comments, fire it up in the comments. Make sure you share this with your friends.
And we all say,
Too flashy.